Oh, you are happy welcome to the new month. I welcome you into this month of August with our Eco Bio Booster. This is our super product. You can see it here. See, this is Eco Bio Booster. Are you a poultry farmer and you want to make meaningful profit from your poultry investment? This is the product you are going to use. Use this product today and boost the immunity and the growth of your poultry birds. You're going to get amazing results. This particular one is 3 liters. This is the 3 liters we have. You can see the 3 liters. This is the 5 liters. You see the 5 liters? See it here. This is 3 liters. This is 5 liters. These ones have been paid for. We're labeling this right away. Now. It's going now. This is Abuja order. This is Lagos order. You can see this is Lagos order here. So make your own payment now and get your own immediately. Boost your broiler growth immediately without any stress. This is purely probiotic. It helps you to rear your broilers, poultry birds without any synthetic. No infection, no disease, no waste of money on buying synthetic drugs. Use this on daily basis and you get amazing results. Thank you for watching this. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Make your order now. For the order of this particular product, you see a number on this screen. Use this number, send me a message on WhatsApp. I will reply you and give you the account details. You make payment, pay for your way bill, we send it to your location immediately. You get it within 24 hours of payment. Thank you for watching. Eco Bio Booster, a wonderful probiotic. It is purely organic product to save your poultry birds, save your investment, and also save you from inappropriate expenditure that will not warrant you making profit. This is what this particular product is for farmers, made by farmer for farmers. Thank you. Hi. This is called Siam weed or chromolaena odorata. This is the botanical name. It is Siam weed. In some areas they call this awolowo. I think in some parts of Nigeria they call this awolowo. I don't know why they call it awolowo. Even at the early stage of our life we call this awolowo. This is what we're known for, generally known for. But the botanical name is chromolaena odorata or Siam weed. In the ongoing search for effective organic alternatives in poultry farming, Siam weed stands out as a powerful plant with broad medicinal and nutritional applications. Once considered just as an aggressive weed, this plant contains potent phytochemicals that offer significant health, growth, and immune boosting benefit to poultry and livestock when used correctly. When Siam weed is combined with other herbs such as lemongrass, scent leaf, and guava leaf, the synergy creates strong organic juice that can prevent and cure several poultry diseases, enhance growth, and reduce production costs. In this particular video, I'm going to give you the active compounds and medicinal value of Siam weed and its herbal allies, how to prepare the organic juice, proper dosage for your poultry and livestock animals at every stage of their life. The poultry diseases this remedy can help treat or prevent, and at the same time guide you on how to go organic and make use of our Eco Bio Booster to run your poultry and agribusiness profitably without any synthetic. Please watch this video till the end so that you get the maximum result and maximum benefits of this particular video. Don't skip any of the tracks at all. Let's start with the medicinal value of Siam weed. It is an antibacterial, antifungal, and wound healing plant. It's very effective and an immune booster that enhances feed intake in poultry and livestock animals. It is antifungal, supports respiratory issues and the calming effects of poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time aid digestion and stimulates appetite in poultry and livestock animals. It is an anti-coccidiosis. Natural antibiotics improve feed efficiency and respiratory aid. Strong antibacterial, control diarrhea and enhance gut flora. It is a blood cleanser and liver detoxifier, appetite stimulant and stress reducer in poultry and livestock. What are the key benefits of this organic herb in poultry? 1. It boosts growth rate and feed conversion. It enhances egg production and egg quality. It boosts immune response to diseases and improves gut health and reduces foul smell droppings. It reduces mortality rate to barest minimum, heals wound and internal inflammations. It acts as natural antibiotics and dewormer. It reduces the need for synthetic drugs and antibiotics in poultry farming. Siam weed is wonderful. Please, how do you make use of it? Gather 200 to 500 grams of Siam weed. It is a weed. It is not bought in the market. You can see this. Gather it, wash it thoroughly. You can see this. This is probably washed. What I have here is 75 grams. You can see this is 75 grams. Gather about 200 grams of it. Wash it as I wash this one now. Wash it thoroughly. After washing it, if you don't have this food scale, you can use a handful of it to measure it, please. You need food scale. As a poultry farm, you need food scale in your farm or in your house. Then wash it thoroughly. After washing it, leave it to dry. Then if you can still use salt to wash it so that it can remove any bacteria attached to it or any dirt at all, and make sure that there is no pest attached to it. You now put it in the mortar and blend it, pound it very well. After pounding it, extract, add 1 liter of clean water to the blend and force the juice out from the plant. After that, then use your filter and sieve it, save it. After sieving, keep the juice in a safe place, airtight container. Cover it properly so that it will not be infected. Or you can at the same time refrigerate it for 3 to 5 days, so that within that 5 days you are serving it to your poultry birds, because you are not adding any synthetic or any organic preservative at all. Now preserve it in your fridge, not inside the freezer but inside the fridge for 3 to 5 days. Now administer this to your poultry birds to get the maximum result you need. Day old to 3 weeks old, 5 meal of it 2 times in a week, 2 to 3 times in a week is good. Then for growers and broilers, 10 meal is good, 3 times weekly. Layers and breeders, 10 to 15 meal is good, 3 to 4 times weekly. Then if your birds are sick, please increase the dosage to 20 meal instantly, so that you get the maximum result and take care of the infections. And these sick birds need to take this on daily basis. You need to give it to them throughout the period of the season, so that once the sickness clears, you go back to the normal routine. Livestock animals like goat, sheep and others, they need 50 meal orally once every 3 days. Cattle need 100 meal orally once every 3 days. What are the poultry diseases this plant can take care of? Number 1 is coccidiosis. It trashes coccidiosis instantly, most especially if you add little quantity of charcoal, wood charcoal and ash to it. Going to clear coccidiosis in just short time. It clears bacterial infection like E. coli, Salmonella and Pasteurella, destroys them immediately. Foul typhoid, this that when they're dropping greenish color like Newcastle and the Gomboro. Foul cholera also takes care of it. Newcastle disease is act as supportive therapy to Newcastle and infectious brucei. It treats chronic respiratory diseases, CROD, internal and external wounds, injuries in poultry and livestock animals. Diarrhea and green droppings, takes care of it. Parasites like worm, mild worm actions in poultry and livestock animals, take care of it. Heat stress and environmental shock, appetite loss and poor egg drop or egg quality drop, it takes care of it instantly in your poultry and livestock animals. Are you a poultry farmer? What are you waiting for? Start making use of this particular plant today and get the maximum result, because Siam weed, when used with complementary medicinal plant like lemongrass and scent leaf, it transforms from a farm nuisance to a powerful organic solution for modern poultry farming. Its natural substance improves health, growth, immunity and egg production in poultry without any risk of chemical residues. This herbal formula is cost effective, easy to prepare, and can also help farmers minimize the use of synthetic drugs and antibiotics, making your poultry farm healthier, more productive, and more profitable. Start integrating this herbal juice into your flock today, and you're going to get amazing results. You will also notice strong birds, better performance, and improved disease resistance. Although this plant is already in use, start incorporating it in all your sections of your farm. All through power of nature is going to be seen and visible in your farm today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Sharing the Poultry. Our Eco Boy Booster is still available. This is going to Ecom today. Ecom Cross River State. You can see it. Going to Ecom Cross River State. Powerful organic, 55,000 naira only. That will give you the maximum result. This is for serious farmers. If you're a serious poultry farmer, this is what you need to run your poultry. If you want to make profit, you don't need to buy Eco Bio Booster. It is for those that are serious in the poultry business that want to make profit. Use Eco Bio Booster. No sign of sickness at all in your poultry business. Their birds will continue growing from weight to weight, height to height, and the maximum. You make profit. Thank you for watching. Join our channel membership and become a channel member of this particular channel, and share our video to all your platforms so that you get the best result. Thank you. Bye for now.